Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect microphone to DVD player. First of all, you need to check out on your DVD player. Is there a microphone button like this on it? If you have the microphone connection like this, you can connect it to your microphone. Okay, on your microphone you will get this connection in the microphone. And now connect it to your DVD player. Okay, try to test it. I turn on the microphone volume to maximum. Okay, now you can hear. We connect the microphone to it, and you can hear the stereo from the TV. Okay, so when you play the DVD player, all you need to do is just press this audio button to the auto right stereo. Okay, you can try to adjust mono left, mono right. Okay, you need to try to adjust the left or right, and then try to test with the microphone. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect the microphone to a DVD player. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.